Hello, today we're going to have a look at how to put a house on the terrain. Once the parcel has been drawn, the setback lines has been created, we can start our house. In the layout step, select walls in the submenu, which will change the display. If you notice, we have switched from the terrain level to work on the ground floor. This change is automatic to avoid errors by drawing the home on the terrain level or the lot on the ground floor. Start by drawing your home floor plan. Be sure to draw it horizontally or vertically on the magnetic lines. Avoid drawing across the terrain. The new transformations tool in the submenu will allow you to move your house to reposition it on the terrain. Notice that you are back on the terrain level. Rotate the building with the arrows and move it by holding down the left button on your mouse. The magnetism will automatically create a precise alignment on the property line or setback lines. The magnetism also works when creating a roof overhang. That's it. Now is your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided. Our team is always available to help.